Jungle Visitors. My name is Terry. I'm your keeper. Hello everyone. Hi. Welcome aboard to the Welcome Jungle Visitors and thank you for your joining. But before starting, I have some important tips to tell you. Since it is water activities, you may get wet and be careful of your electronic items. And all of you should be sit down. Do not stand up and keep your arms and elbows inside the bowl. Also, parents help me to take care of your children. Okay, now let's look on the right hand side. Do you know what's that on the right hand side? Tencent. What kind of hall is it? Yeah, this is Tencent Tree House. This is the home of Tencent and also his girlfriend Jane. If you want to go there, you can go to the opposite side to take the raft. But be reminded that do not swim yourself. Oh, can you see that there are lots of people on the dock? Let us say hello to them. Hi, hello. And don't forget the right hand side. This way please, raise your hands. Hi. Okay, I think we can finally offer adventure to go along this river, which is almost 1,000 kilometers long. And don't worry, I have a shortcut. Oh, just in front of us, I can see that there are 2 elephants. It seems that it is smaller elephant. Did you have a little one on your hedgehog? But don't use it on us little guys. I don't want to get wet. And also on the other side, you can see something you will not see. Is an elephant taking a shower? You can see the wiggle on his body. I believe that's under the water for a long time. Oh no, what size is it? Oh, how will transfer and his father elephant, but he is easy to get angry. Be careful, watch out! I don't know where he sprayed on you. Oh no, just kidding. When he brought our rope, we entered the ancient temple. You can see that it is very horrible. And on the left hand side, there are a lot of big spiders. And this kind of spider can jump over 20 feet. A people jump in the pool. Also, up ahead, here's the generation elephant god. You can see that there are 2 clovers, and the clovers are generation protector. And so that is one on the left hand side. I think it's the most fortunate and the most largest snake in our jungle. We better go now, otherwise they will come and fight on us. We are entering to the true heart of our jungle. And do you know what are waiting for us? Yes, crocodile. We call them crocodile, but they also have a name for us. They call us food. As I know, the law eating humans. So I think you should sit down and do not stand up. And here's the part. And remember, it is the concern of Professor Father and Jane. But since that there are some units by the company, so now we stop playing with the station people. And yeah, don't play with the Professor Father. It's very dangerous. Sit down, please. Keep moving. In front of us, I can see lots of animals are waiting for us, such as zebras and giraffes. And also next to that, there is the most you can see animal in our jungle. It's everywhere else. Let's say hello to him. Hello. Oh no. Wow, next to most see animal in our jungle. It's everywhere else, smaller and smaller. Oh, keep moving, but I don't know where are we. Seems that we are getting lost. Oh, we entered the danger zone of Temple. Now we need to save us over. Only 5 rumors. You guys are so brave. The last group I got to jump over the cedar hippo. So they need to find me gym for days. Very, very cool. Keep quiet. Don't make any noise. Don't let her hunter notify us. Otherwise, they will come out and take your hat away. Quietly and slowly. I think we should back to the dog since this place is very dangerous. But be reminded that they will not do not stand up. Otherwise you will die. Anybody calm down. Sit down first. Thank you. I think nothing can stop us at all. Oh, as I know, the cage of the god is pulled by water god and fire god, but both of them are easy to get angry. Oh no, they both are angry. They can only hurry, I don't want to be here. No, don't be angry. Oh, God, we have finally back to the dock. But before getting to the dock, can't you hear some noise? Is there anybody waiting for us? Who is it? Still another him, who is it? My name is the baby elephant. He's waiting for us to say goodbye to him. Let's say goodbye to him. Bye bye. He also said that if you miss him, it's not like he's waiting for you guys forever and forever. Okay, I have a question. Do you enjoy my journey?
Yes.
Thank you so much. Thank you for coming. Thank you for